Hello guys, welcome. My name is Godswill. Today I will show you how to buy cryptocurrencies using the P2P option which is available on the Binance platform. So without wasting much of your time, let's dive in. First of all, you click on the trade option once you find yourself on the Binance app. I'm using the mobile app. So once you find yourself on the mobile app, you click on trade. Okay, you click on trade. I've just clicked on trade. So once it loads up, look for the P2P at the top right hand corner of your app. Click on P2P. Okay, let's wait for it to load up. All right, it's loading. Okay, so once you find yourself here, you can buy USDT, you can buy BTC, Binance USD, BNB, you can buy Ethereum, you can buy DAI and others. Okay, so once you find yourself here, we're going to use USDT for this illustration. So once you find yourself here, let's assume you want to buy USDT worth of 20,000 naira. So all you need to do is you look through these sellers, who among them who is willing to sell below, who among them is willing to sell around 20,000 naira worth of USDT. Okay, so we'll search through. Let's search through. Let's see if we can get anyone. Okay, we're searching through. We are looking. Still scrolling up. We've not seen anybody yet. Okay, so we found one. We'll find this guy who is willing, this header. So I'm going to click on buy. All right, so it loads up. All I need to do in this space, I will type the amount which I want to buy, 20,000 naira worth of USDT. So I'm going to click on buy. Good. So once you click on buy, it's going to give you something like this. Okay, so here you just click on the payment method, which is here. Click on payment method. Okay, so this is the person's payment detail. So for the purpose of this tutorial, I'm not going to place this order. I'm going to cancel this order. Okay, so here, once you're done sending money to this person, once you're done, just click on transferred. After I click on transferred, you have to exercise patience, wait for the seller to receive payments. Once the person receive and confirm your payment, the person will release your coin. But usually there is a countdown timing that you can see on the window. Okay, so just exercise patience. It's going to pull through. Once it pulls through, the money will reflect in your P2P balance. So let me go back. Let me take it to P2P. Okay, fine. So you go to your wallet. Let's assume the whole transaction have gone through. Okay, so now you now go to wallets. You click on wallets. When you click on wallets, you now see P2P. Okay, you click on P2P. So the reason why we are going here is we assume the transaction have gone through, the person have credited us. So the money, we need to move the money from our P2P wallet to our sports wallet in order for us to be able to use it to do our transactions. So all you need to do is click on transfer, then select the transfer option down here. Okay, so once you do that, it's going to bring up this interface for you. All right, so from this interface, it's going to ask you to move it from P2P wallet to your sports wallet. So you select, here you see your BTC. You remember it's USDT we bought, so you click on it, you select USDT. So you can use the search option USDT, then you select. Okay, so it comes up. Now you click on maximum. All right, so I've just done that. Mine is showing me 0, showing me I don't have any money here. For this reason, I won't be able to transfer. Now remember, if you have already received USDT, once you click maximum, you're going to have money here, then you're going to effect the transfer. right? So once you effect the transfer, the money will go straight to your spot wallet, which from your spot wallet you can now be able to use it to do other transactions. All right, so that is just it. It's a straightforward thing. It's not hard. It's something anybody can do, just following this little guide. Okay. All right, thank you for paying attention to this tutorial.